Hello everyone, welcome back to this. I'm very happy to be here, but with you again and taking these photos and videos. But I'm a little bit in a hurry because the sunrise here in Madeira has been really quick and I don't have much time. And look at it, things are getting very colorful, and even though the day started quite stormy, it's turning out that we have a very good sunrise possibilities now. I'm trying to do some interval shooting now and to get some motion on the waves, but I'm having a little bit of a problem here with all of the settings. But now I came to this point, which is not a very difficult hike. It's just almost outside from the parking lot. But the views are just incredible, and the way that the light hits the mountains, it's just amazing. Look at this. Huh? It's just amazing. Oh, and it has a full rainbow behind me. Damn, that's amazing. Yeah, the morning didn't start very well because of all of the rain, and I didn't know if the sky was going to clear. But now it seems that everything came together, and I can take these shots. This is one of my favorite places in Madeira. This is the second time that I'm here, and it's nice every time. But now I'm going to go back to some shooting and talk to you guys soon. Yes, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a beautiful sunrise. I didn't expect much from this morning, frankly. The rain started really not strong but constant, and I didn't think we were going to have a sunrise, but since the light is actually coming from the side here, the horizon was already clearing from clouds, and there's just this carpet of clouds on the top of us. But at least the light could shine through, right? And then when it shines, it hits this mountain that it's in front of us, and it gives this very nice 3D contrast, because the foreground there is this mountain sticking out, this cliff sticking out, and it's kind of tiered the rest of the mountains until the horizon. It's one of my favorite places in Madeira. It's a guaranteed shot no matter the conditions, but I still wanted a nice sunrise, because who doesn't like that golden hour, right? And yeah, I got a drone and I got a whole new setup to be doing these videos. Let me know how's the quality. I'm shooting with a RX0 Mark II. I might do a review later on. There's a little pop-up screen on the top. I can see myself. Hey, handsome. And yeah, I'm trying to do something different now, to do some more drone shots, time lapses and whatnot, and get some more video quality going on. It's quite a lot of work, frankly. You're juggling, you have many balls in the air to take care of, and it's not always easy to concentrate on the stuff, because what you like to do is to photograph. Instead you have to concentrate on doing other things, and I will always prioritize photography before video, always. That's my hobby, and video is a nice side gig, but it's still important nonetheless. And yeah, let's see what is in store. I'm going to try to continue taking some shots here from the rest of the mountains. Oh, it's so beautiful down there on the horizon, close to the end of the island. The light is so soft. There is this mist in the morning going on, and I managed to get my shots, and I'm really happy about it. The things that I wanted to do, I basically have done them here. The drops of water were a little bit difficult to be cleaning up all the time, and as I said, I was doing some drone shots, and I was taking some photographs at the same time, which makes it a lot of work for one person to do. So, but that's how it is, and I'm not complaining. One day in the field is better than 100 days in the office, right? So, and yeah, I'm going to continue doing some time lapse here, because I would like to get some motion of the water, and the clouds are moving quite fast on the horizon, close to the end of the island, in the mountains. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? This side here. This side here. Sadly, the light is gone now. It's quite soft now. It's already like, what, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So I'm not sure, I don't think I'm gonna get many other good shots from now. I'm just finishing up here, and talk to you guys soon. And let's see what I get from the shots. Stick a little bit around, and then I can show you the photographs that I got. Okay, see you.